Have you ever tried installing an app on your computer only to be blocked by an admin permission pop-up? It's frustrating, especially if you're using a school laptop, office PC, or a shared computer. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to install apps without admin access, using safe and simple methods anyone can try. Method 1. Use portable versions. Many apps offer portable versions that don't require installation at all. These apps run directly from a folder, no admin access, no registry changes, and no system modifications. Just download the zip file, extract it, and you're ready to use. Portable apps exist for browsers, editors, media players, and even some programming tools. Websites like Portable Apps and GitHub provide thousands of them. Method 2. Install to your user folder. Some installers only need admin rights if you try to install them in system locations like program files. But if you change the install path to your user folder, often the installation goes through without any permission prompt. Choose a folder like Documents, Desktop, or a custom directory inside users/your name. Many software setups will work perfectly with this trick. Method 3. Use the Microsoft Store. If you're on Windows, the Microsoft Store allows you to install many apps without admin approval. Because these apps run in a sandboxed environment, Windows doesn't require elevated permissions. Just open the store, search for the app you want, and click Install. It's that simple. Method 4. Use online alternatives. Some apps have powerful web versions you can use directly in your browser. Need a photo editor? Use Photopea. Need a document editor? Try Google Docs. Need a code editor? Use Replit or StackBlitz. These tools require no installation at all and work instantly on any computer. Method 5. Use portable installers or no-install builds. Developers sometimes release standalone builds made specifically for restricted environments. These are similar to portable apps but optimized for school and work computers. They skip admin checks and write all files in local directories. It's a great option for tools like IDs, file utilities, and compression software. Important reminder: never attempt to bypass security on school or office devices in ways that violate rules. The methods shown here are safe, legitimate, and commonly used for personal convenience, not to break system protections. Final thoughts: even if you don't have admin access, you still have plenty of ways to install and use the apps you need. Try portable versions, change install locations, take advantage of the Microsoft Store, or switch to powerful online tools. These tricks can save you time, frustration, and give you the freedom to work the way you want. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.